friends, welcome back to my channel Rishit Inspiring Kids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. So please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Your first question is, choose the correct noun form. The boy is playing with a quickly ball running. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is ball. Ball is a noun, quickly is an adverb, running is a verb. Your next question is, pick the correct verb. She dash a beautiful song. Sings, sing, singing. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is sings. The correct answer is sings because she is a singular subject. So in simple present indefinite, we add s or es in the verb with singular subject. Your next question is, identify the adjective in the tall tree gives shade. Tree, tall, shade. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is tall. Tall describes the tree, so it is an adjective. Your next question is, fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. Ravi and I are friends. Dash play together every day. They, us, we. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is we. The correct answer is we because we is used for speaker and another person together. Your next question is, choose the correct past tense form. Yesterday she dashed to the market. Goes, went, gone. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is went. Went is the past tense of go. Your next question is, which sentence has the correct punctuation? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Your time starts now. And the correct answer is, where are you going? Because questions end with a question mark and start with a capital letter. Your next question is, select the correct preposition. The cat is sitting dash the table. In, on, with. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is on. The correct preposition is on because it indicates that cat is on the top of the table. Your next question is, choose the correct article. She bought dash apple from market. A and the. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is and. The correct answer is and because apple is starting with the vowel sound. The next question is, which word is an adverb? He ran quickly to school. Ran quickly school. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is quickly. The correct answer is quickly because quickly describes how he ran. Your next question is, Pick the correct plural noun. There are many dash in the garden. Child's, children, children's. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is children. Your the correct plural of child is children. Your next question is choose the common noun. Delhi, river, Taj Mahal. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is river. The correct answer is river because common nouns are general names like city, river, not specific ones. Your next question is fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. My name is Rita dash am in class 4th. She, I, me. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is I. The correct answer is I because I is the subject you used to talk about oneself. Your next question is identify the plural form. One box, two boxen, boxes, boxes. Your time starts now. The correct answer is boxes. The correct answer is boxes because the words ending with x to form plural by adding es. Your next question is fill in the blanks with future tense. We dash we did the do tomorrow. Was, had, will. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is will. The correct answer is will because it shows future tense. Pick the correct verb. She dashed fast every morning. Run, runs, running. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is runs. The correct answer is runs because she is singular subject. So with she, we use runs. Your next question is fill in the blanks. This is the dash day of my life. Happy, happiest, happier. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is happiest. The correct answer is happiest. Superlative form is used to show the highest degree. Your next question is which sentence has an adjective? The dog eats food. The dog runs fast. The dog is brown. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is brown. The correct answer is brown because brown describes the dog. Your next question is select the correct conjunction. I like apples dash oranges. And but or. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is and. The correct answer is and because a conjunction and is used to join words, phrases, or clauses that are similar or related meaning. Your next question is which one is a complete sentence? Playing in the park. The cat is sleeping. A tall tree. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is the cat is sleeping. A sentence has subject plus verb plus object. Your next question is, which is a question sentence? She's my friend. Do you like ice cream? I like to play. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is, do you like ice cream? Question end with a question mark. Thank you, friends. If you liked my session, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.